This is the ROG Ally. Well, it's not quite the Ally yet, it's just the box, but the box is looking phenomenal. Let's take this in. We have the ROG Ally here by ASUS. I'm pretty excited to open this. It's a portable gaming device that you can use to play games from your PC. So anything you own on Steam, Xbox Game Pass, etc., it can go right on here. Let's open it up. I love the shiny highlights that they put on this box. Like, this box looks so premium just by itself. I don't even need the gaming device. I just like the box. All right, the big reveal. So as soon as we open it, you can see the little joysticks for the ROG Ally, and this is a instruction manual for how to plug it in. I don't know why that's the first thing you see, but it is. What are you gonna do about it? And this is it. Wow. This is quite big. I didn't expect it to be this large, actually. I'm trying to like compare it, I guess, to like a Switch, because I have a Switch. And in terms of like a portable gaming device, that's sort of what I kind of go to. And this has some good size to it. So let's see how that is when we open it up. Let's see what else is in the box. Kind of confused with the packaging here. Like, what am I supposed to do next? It's a little maze, a little Christmas present, a charger. Wow. For me? Really? A charger? Thank you so much. And this one is, oh, some manuals. Isn't that crazy?
Let's not lose those, bro.
Let's not lose them?
Let's not lose those.
Yeah, we lost the last ones. I don't think we're gonna lose these ones, but I don't know if I'm even gonna read them. Like, 2 twos. I'm opening the front page, left stick, blah, blah. Yeah, I don't care. But yeah, this is it. So we have this nice packaging. I kind of really liked how you have to open it up. I was a little bit confused, not gonna lie, but I got it. We got the charger, we have the manuals, and we have the ROG Ally. So I'm assuming to power this on, we're probably gonna have to plug it in first, but that's just a guess because the first thing I saw was literally how to plug it in. Last time the knife was in the video and it was pissing me off. The whole time I was like, please take it off the table, please. So I have to take it off the table this time. Let's get the plastic off and see what it's like. This plastic's a little confusing too. It's not like the Mac, how you kind of just pull a tab and it's all off. Sort of like a diaper, you know? Just kind of folds right onto it. This looks not bad. I kind of don't mind it. It's quite big. Like, look just how thick this is, but it's not terrible looking. Oh, there's little buttons on the back. It's probably to compete with PC players because you're gonna get smoked in these games. But this is it so far, a nice white design. I don't think they have any other colorways. I haven't seen any, but there are skins for it. I've seen like a nice blue skin, but we actually didn't have any skins. And automatically I need a microfiber cloth because I just got my fingerprints on it. So there's a power button. I'm holding it. Does it turn on? Yeah, I think it really does need power.
Yeah, you got plugged in.
Okay, so let's get this plugged in and see what it's like when you first turn it on and how quickly you can play games. We have the extension cord now. We're gonna plug it in. It's actually kind of nice. It's a USB-C charger, and of course, me as an Apple user, I kind of wish that Apple had USB-C, and anytime I see a device with a USB-C port to charge, I get jealous. Please, Apple, please. I have not played on a controller in so long. As soon as I got my PC, I literally banished my PlayStation from my site. I feel like it's really nice for those people who used to be console gamers and then switched over to PC. Yeah. It's kind of that nostalgic feel, and let's see if we can actually power it on. Oh my gosh, that light up display, as soon as I turned it on, the joysticks actually vibrated and like kind of snapped into place like a motor. And then you see the ROG logo as you turn it on. Let's see what happens. A little long to turn on. Is this the right country or region? We're just gonna say US. Do we wanna add a second layout? No. Let's connect you to a Wi-Fi network. Is it a touch? Oh, it is a touch screen. That's nice. I didn't expect it to be a touchscreen actually. Wait, do I need a keyboard?
The answer to that question is no, you do not need a keyboard for the ROG Ally. And I'm gonna quickly go over what we did to fix the problem just to save time. Basically what happened is when we tried to connect to the Wi-Fi, we weren't able to put a password in because there was no keyboard that showed up. And so we tried everything. We even saw a little button at the bottom that looked like a keyboard, but that wasn't it. And literally pressed every single button on that device and still no keyboard showed up. So we did what anybody would do. We restarted the device and it worked. After we were able to connect to the Wi-Fi, it prompted us to do a little update. So we kind of waited for it. I don't think it actually updated anything, but it just searched for it. So that was good because I didn't really want to wait for it anyway. The next step was to actually go ahead and sign into our Microsoft account.
Unlock your Microsoft experience. Sign into Microsoft.
I didn't realize at the time, but this device is literally just a handheld PC. So the setup was basically like starting up a brand new Windows computer. We were prompted to sign into our Microsoft account, asked a few questions about location and everything, keyboard, etc. And as we did all this, we of course had to check out the sleek design of the ROG Ally. Honestly, this thing was made to almost perfection for a portable gaming device. I love the buttons, how it feels in your hands. It's like a ergonomic, you wouldn't think that it's an ergonomic shape, but just like the way that they have the little curve at the bottom and the buttons at the back of the device, it feels really nice in your hands, very easy to hold, and I really don't mind it. I feel like I'd be able to play it for a long time without getting any discomfort in my hands. And there were two things that I was actually really surprised about when it showed up during the setup process. The first one was the fact that it actually had a fingerprint sensor in order to use a fingerprint to unlock the device.
Oh, and you can also use your fingerprint to put a password on here, which is actually pretty cool. I'm gonna try to set it up. Touch the power button, okay. Wait, touch the power button. Why does that look like a keyboard? I don't think I can set up a fingerprint.
Let me see.
I think that this is if like you have some sort of Windows keyboard or, I'm not sure, because it's obviously not this power button. Oh. I lied, bro. It's literally the power button.
I did not expect this, and the fingerprint sensor is actually the power button, and it really doesn't look like it would be a fingerprint sensor, which was pretty cool. I thought that was a unique feature that it had. I obviously haven't seen that on any other portable gaming device, so it's nice to know that if you bring this around anywhere, it will still be secure. The second thing that surprised me was that this device actually comes with a free trial of Xbox Game Pass.
Your device comes with free Xbox Game Pass Ultimate? Yo, claim that.
I believe it's a month, but I haven't actually signed up for it yet. So once I do, I'll be able to confirm that. But I wasn't expecting to get that free trial, so I was pretty happy about that. And additionally, once we had completed the setup process, which went by pretty quickly after signing into the Microsoft account, we were able to get into the device. It was very easy to set up from there. Honestly, I looked at it and it was basically plug and play. There was already a game installed on it, which I believe was called Moving Out. We kind of tested it out a little bit just to see how the performance was, and the gameplay was really smooth. It was like a really basic game, so I want to see like a more complex, more taxing game on the device. how that kind of performs, but from that game alone, I think that we're gonna have a really great time with this. And then the UI is very easy to use as well. Steam and Xbox Game Pass are actually already pre-installed onto the device, and I believe all the other platforms, you just have to download them online just like any computer, but the way that they put it all in an easy access menu is really nice. And it's pretty easy to use. Even if you didn't own a PC or weren't familiar with the Windows environment, you probably would still be able to easily go ahead and set this thing up. It has a bunch of different performance modes from what I was seeing in the settings, and I just want to test it out to see how good is this compared to actual PC gaming and maybe other portable console gaming devices like the Nintendo Switch. But that is all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and also subscribe to Take This In. Your support is appreciated. My name is RJ Grubb and we are out. Peace.
Access granted, we're giving you a free trial of Microsoft 365. I don't want it.